Should I clean the inside of my ears with a cotton swab? No, absolutely never put a cotton swab into the ear canal. In fact, on the back of the box, it says, do not enter your ear canal. You can use a cotton swab on the outside of your ear called the pinna. That's totally safe. If you use a cotton swab inside, you can actually scratch the inside of your ear canal or push the wax further back, and that's going to make it more difficult for it to come out on its own. There's typically nothing you need to do with your wax, and a little bit of wax is a good thing. It will keep your ear canal hydrated and protect your eardrum by trapping some dust and dirt. For the majority of people out there, your ears are going to self-clean. But what if my ears feel plugged up? If your ears feel plugged up, you should visit an audiologist or even an ear, nose, and throat physician. They can clean your ears for you and give you appropriate tips and tricks to keep them clean. Everyone's ear canal and eardrum is a little different, and what works well for one person may not be appropriate at all for someone else. Remember, a blockage of wax can cause pain, hearing loss, dizziness, and even ringing in the ear if left untreated. So it's important to have it removed by a professional. All right, friends, I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to hit that follow button, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.